Hey, what's up, buddy? How do you know? I hope you're doing great. I'm Viren Bablu, and today I'm here at Golden Temple campus. You can see it's a pond, sacred pond of this sacred Golden Temple, and it's another pond, and the main pond behind me. This building, and it's quite huge and quite beautiful. That Golden Temple situated in middle of the pond, so there is quite rush there, and not any place to sit or quiet place because I'm shooting, so I need a quiet place. So that's why I came here, and guys, I'm learning English, so it's my practice video. I do practice, and also I'm a travel vlogger, so I do travel and I'm learning English. So I came from Rishikesh, and 2 days that was quite hectic day, and it's a new city for me, so that's why I didn't record. And if you also want to speak English, so you have to practice, because without practice you can't speak. Guys, one friend is asking me that how did I learn English. So I learned from the YouTube, and from myself. I didn't take any coaching classes. I learn some books and watch lots of English materials, and you do as well. You watch every type of video, whatever you watch, comedy or movie or educational, what types of video you watch everything in English. So I watch lots of English videos. Like I love traveling, so I watch a lot of travel vlogs, travel videos, and all I watched foreigners because I love the English language, and also I want to try like little bit American accent. I love the American accent. So guys, after do all these things like watching lots of videos and seeing lots of books and sentences, you'll have to practice, because without practice you can't. How much you learn, how much you read, how much you see, but if you won't speak, so you can't speak. So after that all material, so you speak, you go outside and where no one, because in starting you do many mistakes. You have to go outside like this. I'm here quiet place, and if I do mistakes, so no one looking at me or no one commenting me, so that's why. And do like this. And in starting you'll do many mistakes, like not come in your mind, even not come out sentences from your mouth. So you have to speak, and you to take a resolution that I have to speak at least 10 minutes. I do 10 minutes daily, so it's my resolution. And when you'll go outside, you can't find sentences, topics, what to speak. So it's a main problem that you should explain, like whatever see, whatever experience, explain like this. Like I'm at Golden Temple premises and or compound, so you can see behind me is a pond, and you can see huge temple there, and the top of the temple is mold pure gold. And guys, I'm here for 2 days, and I saw that very clean. I've never seen like this place before, like this clean. You can see here it's a crystal clear water, and the people wash and rub this algae and some dust as well. You can't see any straw or any trash here, so it's a very very clean here. I love the place here. And also guys, here quite peaceful. Here you can feel that very less people, but after this is the boundary. Inside boundary the main pond, sacred pond, and people there dip. Also I take holy dip today in the morning, and it's a different religion, so people here don't dip all only here, so I also take dip here. And so guys, if you wanna see my blog, my Hindi blog, so you can see Viren Bablu YouTube channel, my another YouTube channel, so where you can see all I'll upload. And I've seen that all area, because it's my English, so I choose quite separate area, so that's why I came here. And here you can see it's also pond, but there are very less people. And guys, in this pond there are lots of colorful fishes, like I've shown you Rishikesh pond. Also the Gurudwara campus pond, and also it is. And now guys, here you can see big fish. You can see it's a very colorful, it's a red one and it's quite big, I think 1 foot long, and she's roaming there, and you can see quite beautiful. And guys, here only one, and their children are playing. There's quite big bunch of the fishes, and there also you can see it's a white one fish. And guys, when you will speak, you will be stopped middle of this your journey, your middle of your conversation, so you can pause or stop. Main thing is that if you record yourself like me, like I'm recording my mobile, so you can record too, and it's a criteria that 10 minutes, and you will see like how much I recorded, and 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes, as much as you can. So I record at least 15, 16 minutes, and I do some mistakes, so I edited all mistakes. So I take pause, so after that again come in my mind some topics, some again I record. And when you will do lots of practice, then it flow and you will not stop. Because when I was started, so I was lot of stumbling, lot of stutter, like I was stopping a lot of the conversation, not come in my mind, and even not come out my mouth. But nowadays I'm quite fluent, and it's my 18th session, and now I'm quite fluent. You can feel the fluency. And so now I'm also a little bit heckling, but now I can survive. So it's good. I did today's session. You can see the beauty of this Golden Temple campus, Golden Temple compound, and it's another pond, and main pond is quite good. So guys, that's it in this video. I hope you will find some useful tips, and guys, please, if I did any wrong, so please correct me, because I'm learning, so I do some mistakes. So that's it buddy, we'll meet next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
आजा